What's your Desert Island headphone?
I'd probably have to say my Denon 2000s. Well, me.
And my desk is a mess. I'm only a neat person.
Right now, the Momentum is one of my favorites, I would have to say. But these Cherry Harvey headphones are pretty sweet. It's the one that I want right now.
Guess. My Desert Island headphone would probably be these Fostex. You know, some may say that they're not necessarily the most accurate headphone, but I find them very pleasing to listen to, especially for rock and hip hop, which is what I like. And they are extremely comfortable. They're also pretty.
Oh man, by far, I'd have to be these guys, the JH13s. They're small enough that I could fit them in my pocket. Nobody'd steal them from me.